Hello juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video, we're going to be going over the syntax drill assignment. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to download the syntaxdrill.py. You're going to put it into your Eclipse. So I put it into my test project folder, and then I opened it up, and so now I'm actually editing the code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you should be completing this assignment. It's relatively simple. All you're going to do is read what is written in this comment box and then write whatever it tells you to outside of it. So this says write a print statement with your name outside the comment box. So this is the comment box right here, and I'm going to write a print statement. So print my name, Michael, and that's outside the comment box, and that's all it's asking me to do. The reason it's having you do it outside the comment box is so that you can run this program. So if I run this program, it'll print my name and I know that I did everything correctly. So at the end of this whole assignment, you can run the whole thing, and if nothing crashes, then you did everything correctly. So I'll just do a couple more. This is to practice writing your statements. So it's practicing prints, initializing variables, all that stuff. It's just having you do it a bunch just to kind of get it in that muscle memory. So it gets progressively harder as we go down. So if I scroll down to like here, we're going to initialize a variable to a list of 6 nothings. So we know about lists. So we have list, and then we have 6 nothings. Well, if we have a list of this, which is just nothing, then if we do times 6, it'll be a list of 6 nothings. So then we can set the list. If we wanted to do a list at item 4, we could set it to something, to my name again. But that's just going in depth. All you have to write for this is initializing a list to 6 nothings. So let's go down a little bit further and see if we can find another one. Let's do this one. So initialize a while loop that will keep going. So we just want a while loop that will enter the while loop. So we're going to say while true. Now, this alone would crash the program, because if I run a while loop that's always going to be true, it's going to be stuck in that loop forever. So I'm just going to add a statement that will break the while loop. So this while loop will go once and then break so that it doesn't break the program. We'll do one more. Let's do this one. Initialize a function with the parameters a and b. This function will calculate the sum of a and b and return its value. So we're going to make a function, define function. You can name it whatever you want because it doesn't tell us. And we're going to have 2 parameters, a and b. And then in this function, we're going to sum a plus b. And then we're going to, b. Stop it. And then all we're going to do is return sum, because we want it to return the value of a plus b. So now that function will return the sum of a plus b. So that's all you need to do for this assignment. Again, it's just to get you practicing that code so that you know it's just you know how to make a variable just innately. You don't need to look it up. You'll just memorize it. And then also just to practice making functions and other things. If you have any questions, let me know. And good luck.